let's get into our first a little music. Our live, love, eat section of this channel of mine right here on Tommy Stigs channel. Tomatoes from the stoop garden. Basilico from the stoop garden. A little nice onion from the farmer's market. The local farmer's market. Cento oil olive. My favorite ingredient. McCormick Hot Shot. It's a mix of it's a blend. It's a black and red pepper blend. It's incredible. It's all you need. Make a nice tomato salad. Those beautiful tomatoes. Beautiful tomatoes. I'm about to cut them up nicey nice. This is how you do it, okay? Just like this. Just cut them right down the middle. That's it, right down the middle. Look how nice that is. Beautiful. Just in half, that's all you gotta do. Right down the middle. Alright, I'm gonna continue that. Come right back. And that is really cut up nice. Those are the tomatoes. Man, if you could smell that, ooh, maron. You can smell the freshness, comes right out. Next up, we're gonna dice up the little onion. Make it nicey nice, okay? That is next. Let's cut up our onion. So we just, we go down right here. And that's it. You just make it nicey nice. See that? And then you go this way. And our onions are ready for the tomato salad. Starting to come together. That's a beautiful picture. Is that not? Look at that. Look at those colors. Look at those colors. We're going to throw it together real quick. Sometimes it's hard to pick what color dish to use because you have these beautiful colors. But anyway, I'm going with black. A little oil olive. Cento. What do I have here? Oh, cento, yeah. Cento. So I put a little olive oil in. Alright, now I put a little hot shot in there. Nicey nice. Now I throw some basil in the bottom. It's a beautiful thing. Now some onion. Some, not all. Some onion, half maybe. Half of the tomatoes. Look at that. Is that beautiful or what? Maron. Mix it up a little bit. Actually, I'm going to get a spoon for that. Okay. Make it nicey nice, because we always say nicey nice. Alright, so I'm going to put a little more of my, a little bit more of my hot shot in there. Because you don't need anything else. I'm going to put the rest of my onions. We keep replaying this beautiful song. Ralph Mucci does it beautifully. Alright, a little more basil. I'm going to actually break this one. So when you break it, the flavor does come out. Okay, I'm going to put the rest of my tomatoes in. Rest of the basil. A little more oil. Olive. A little more hot shot. And gonna get a nice loaf of bread, maybe a calandra's French with seeds. Mix this up nice and nice. Now you know you gotta put this in the fridge. You can't just eat it right there fresh. You gotta put it right in the fridge. It's gotta all marry together. The flavors have to marinate nicey nice. And there you have it. That's a nice from the stoop. Most of these ingredients are from my stoop outside. Nice. Little French bread with seeds from Calandra's maybe. A little grated cheese. And we got love. Look how it slides. Alright. We are done. Tomato salad. A beautiful tomato salad is ready.